Hello and welcome to Christian's Tea Time Classicals, short videos about individual aspects of classical music that last about as long as it takes to brew a nice cup of tea. In this episode, we talk about the use of anvils as musical instruments on the opera stage. Whether anvils are really musical instruments is beside the point. What matters is that a hammer striking an anvil immediately evokes the forging of metal. The best known works featuring anvils are Giuseppe Verdi's Il Trovatore and Richard Wagner's Das Rheingold, both from the early 1850s. In Il Trovatore, metallic blows appear in the famous coro di zingari. Basses and tenors alternate, striking low and high anvils. The short chorus depicts work in the camp, with anvils adding local color that could be omitted without much dramatic loss, though the result would be less fun. In Das Rheingold, 18 anvils in 3 pitches frame the Nibelheim scene. Their sound paints the forced labor of the Nibelungs, and for a few measures Wagner even lets the anvils play alone, making them musically indispensable. Both Verdi and Wagner may have been inspired to use anvils during their stays in Paris. As early as 1825, Daniel-François-Esprit Auber used anvils in his opéra comique Le Maçon, which became a major success with over 500 performances in Paris alone in the 19th century. In serious opera, Fromental Halévy introduced anvils in La Juive in 1835, where they underscore the Jews working on a Christian holiday. Hector Berlioz followed in 1838 with Benvenuto Cellini, and Charles Gounod used them again in 1860 in Philémon et Baucis, where they support the depiction of the god Vulcan at work. On the opera stage, anvils function mainly as an acoustic effect. In La Juive, Il Trovatore and Das Rheingold, their sound is linked to socially marginalized or outsider groups. We could certainly find other, less well-known examples, but your tea should be ready by now. Enjoy it and feel free to leave your comments while you sip. See you next time.